Tools are great. Tools take away hassle. They make calculations reliable. They take away manual work. So also portfolio management tools can be handy. However, portfolio management is a capability. It's about people. It's about individuals. It's about interactions. So make sure that you use the tools wisely, especially when there are vast amounts of data. If you need to calculate through the impacts of certain scenarios, tools are great. If you want to visualize the dependencies between epics or teams, tools are perfect. So in your portfolio management, tools can be really handy to take away the laborious work and to work with lots of data and visualize stuff. However, tools don't do portfolio management. Tools don't work. People work. But for that work in portfolio management, to see the different scenarios and dependencies, cool tools can be a really great help.